You might have heard of the term generative AI or Gen AI as one of the most popular AI right now. ChatGPT is an Gen AI application. Gen AI is a subset of deep learning. So you see how deep artificial intelligence actually is. That's why we are covering all important theoretical concepts and soon we will start doing some juicy AI practical projects. As clear from its name, generative AI can generate new content and ideas like conversation, stories, images, videos, and music. Generative AI is the next step in the artificial intelligence. You can train it to learn human languages, programming languages, art, chemistry, biology, or any complex subject matter. It reuses training data to solve new problems. For example, it can learn English vocabulary and create a poem from the words it processes. Your organization can use generative AI for various purposes like chatbots, media creation, and product development and design. Thank you so much for watching the video till here. That means you gain value from this video. Please type awesome explanation in the comment section to let me know that you have watched video till end.